Number 39 and 40 are both using the diagram over here, that you are given that this quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. For number 39, you're going to be concentrating on side lengths. You're asked for segment BE, that length right there. That is your unknown. So let's mark the side lengths that we are given, or the segment lengths, I should say. The first one we're given is BC is 5 centimeters long. That is a side of the rhombus. Since a rhombus has 4 congruent sides, then I know that CD is 5 centimeters, DA is 5 centimeters, and BA is 5 centimeters. Another segment length I'm given is AC is 8. AC, when we connect point A to C, remember that is called a diagonal. And so I know that that diagonal, that whole length right there, is 8 centimeters. Now, there's a couple of things that I'm going to know about the diagonals. Since a rhombus is a special type of parallelogram, I know that since parallelograms have diagonals that bisect each other, that point of intersection, E, is a midpoint of both of these diagonals. So if the whole diagonal AC is 8 centimeters, then each one of these parts, A to E and E to C, are 4 centimeters each. Another thing that I know about a rhombus, about its diagonals, is that they are perpendicular. The diagonals are perpendicular, which means they create right angles when they intersect. So when this diagonal BD intersects with side EC, it creates a right angle relationship here. So to solve for BE, we're going to focus in on the fact that this triangle, triangle BEA, is a right triangle that I know 2 sides of. I know one of the legs is 4, and I know the side across from the right angle is 5. So that's the hypotenuse. So I can solve for the missing leg using Pythagorean theorem. So I would know the leg squared plus the unknown leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25. I can subtract 16 from both sides to get x squared equals 9, and then undo the squaring by taking the square root, and the square root of 9 is simply 3. So BE has a length of 3 centimeters, which is A.